How to fix Talkie app not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection, and if not, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Then all you have to do is go to the Play Store application and make sure that we have the latest version of the Talkie application on our device. Now, as you can see, there's no updates available, which means that my app is updated to its latest version on the device. Now go back and make a long press on the Talkie application and then tap on App Info. As we tap on App Info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of Clear All Data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it and tap on Delete All Data, or you can just clear cache. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here, such as files and media and microphone, by going for each option and giving the access. After that, you can just go and try to open up the application, and this might fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.